Hello, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example of based on order of operation. So in this question, we use the order of operation. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you doesn't watch the previous video on question, we not use the order of operation. So watch this previous video first and then watching this video. So in this video we discuss 3 minus 5 divide 5 plus 3. So the answer is not minus 1. When we will get answer is minus 1, first we divide 5 is one answer, and 1 plus 3 is 4. Then 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. So this is the wrong answer. So we discuss the question based on order of operation and we will get the right answer. So first we simplify the division. 3 minus 5 divide 5 1 and plus 3 same, and then 3 apply the order of operation on based right left to right. Simplify 3 minus 1 2 and plus 3, okay, and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So the answer is 5. Answer is the right answer. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video. Thanks.